Experiencing problems with your Metro by T-Mobile service? Issues typically fall into three categories: outages, account problems, and provisioning errors. Outages are network-wide disruptions often caused by hardware failures or software glitches. Account problems include billing issues, login difficulties, or plan activation errors. Provisioning issues relate to SIM card setup, device compatibility, or data throttling. Start by restarting your device. Next, check the Metro by T-Mobile app for coverage maps to ensure you're in a service area. For immediate assistance, contact Metro support at 1-800-866-2453. Remember that Metro plans are prepaid, so ensure your account balance is current to avoid service interruptions. To resolve most issues quickly, utilize the AI-driven diagnostics tool found in the Metro app, which can significantly reduce troubleshooting time. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider advanced fixes like swapping your SIM card through Metro's online portal or in-store. Metro is investing in AI-driven app features for real-time troubleshooting, which has reduced support calls by 25% since 2024. Hybrid network models combine T-Mobile's spectrum with roaming agreements to improve coverage in rural areas, aiming for 95% U.S. population coverage by 2026. Metro is focusing on 6G readiness and enhanced cybersecurity to prevent future outages. If you're still having problems, visit a local Metro store and speak to a representative for personal support.